In the journey to financial success, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your money, understanding your net worth is paramount. Think of it as your financial report card, a snapshot of your financial health at this very moment. It's not about bragging rights or comparing yourself to others. It's about taking control of your financial future. Why is net worth so crucial? Because it provides a clear picture of where you stand financially. It helps you track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your money. Imagine setting out on a road trip without knowing your destination or how much gas is in the tank. Let's dive in and explore how understanding your net worth can transform your relationship with money. Before we delve into the specifics of net worth by age, it's crucial to understand the fundamental building blocks of this financial metric. At its core, net worth is a simple equation. Net worth equals assets minus liabilities. Let's break down these components. Assets are things you own that have value. Think of your home, car, savings accounts, investments, retirement funds, and even valuable possessions like jewelry or artwork. Liabilities, on the other hand, represent your debts or financial obligations. Common liabilities include mortgages, student loans, credit card balances, car loans, or any other money you owe to others. Calculating your net worth is like taking inventory of your financial life. List all your assets on one side and all your liabilities on the other. Subtract your total liabilities from your total assets and voila, you have your net worth. Now that you grasp the basics of net worth calculation, let's explore how this metric evolves across different age groups. While net worth is a valuable tool for anyone, regardless of age, it's fascinating to see how it typically progresses throughout different life stages. Let's examine some general net worth benchmarks by age group, ages 0 to 16, the foundation years. At this stage, net worth is often tied to savings accounts established by parents or guardians. It's about instilling good financial habits early on. Ages 16 to 21, stepping into independence. As young adults enter the workforce or pursue higher education, they may acquire assets like cars or begin accumulating student loan debt. Focus on building credit responsibly and minimizing debt. Ages 21 to 25, navigating early career. Graduating, securing a job, and perhaps renting an apartment are key milestones. Saving for long-term goals like a down payment on a home becomes increasingly important. Ages 25 to 31, building momentum, career advancement, relationships, and potentially starting a family all influence financial decisions. Investing wisely and managing debt strategically are crucial. Remember, these are just broad benchmarks. Individual circumstances, financial goals, and risk tolerance vary widely. While median net worth figures provide a helpful benchmark, it's natural to wonder about those in the top percentiles. What sets these high net worth individuals apart? Often it's not just about earning more, but making savvy financial decisions consistently over time. Here are some common traits of individuals in the top 10% of net worth for their age group. Early and disciplined savers. They prioritize saving from a young age, often automating contributions to retirement accounts and other savings vehicles. Strategic investors. They understand the importance of investing their money to outpace inflation and generate long-term growth. Debt management. They use debt strategically, focusing on good debt like mortgages or business loans, and minimizing bad debt like high-interest credit cards. Financial literacy. They prioritize financial education, staying informed about market trends, investment opportunities, and strategies to optimize their financial well-being. Remember, achieving a high net worth is a marathon, not a sprint. Section 5. Beyond the numbers. Why median net worth matters more than average. When comparing your net worth to others, you'll often encounter two metrics, average and median. While they might seem interchangeable, understanding the difference is crucial for accurate benchmarking. Average net worth is calculated by summing the net worth of all individuals in a group and dividing by the total number of individuals. Median net worth, on the other hand, represents the middle value when all net worth figures are arranged from lowest to highest. So, why does median matter more? Because average net worth can be easily skewed by outliers, those at the very high or very low end of the spectrum. Median net worth, however, provides a more realistic representation of the typical net worth within a specific demographic. When assessing your financial progress, focus on comparing your net worth to the median for your age group. Section 6. Charting your financial course using net worth as a compass for growth. Now that you understand the importance of net worth and how to benchmark yourself against others in similar demographics, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Think of your net worth as a compass, guiding you toward your financial goals. Regularly tracking your net worth allows you to monitor your progress by updating your net worth statement periodically, whether quarterly or annually. Identify areas for improvement. Are your assets growing at the desired rate? Is your debt level manageable? Make informed financial decisions, whether it's investing in a new business venture, buying a home, or negotiating a salary increase. Understanding your net worth empowers you to make sound financial choices. By actively monitoring and managing your net worth, you take control of your financial destiny and chart a course towards a brighter future. Section 7. Actionable steps to grow your net worth, from saving and investing to debt management. Understanding your net worth is just the first step. The real power lies in taking action to improve it. Whether you're starting with a negative net worth or aiming to join the top percentiles, here are some proven strategies to boost your financial standing. Prioritize saving. Make saving a non-negotiable part of your budget. Automate regular contributions to your savings and retirement accounts. Invest wisely. Explore different investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds to grow your wealth over time. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor to create a personalized investment strategy. Manage debt strategically. Create a plan to pay down high-interest debt like credit card balances. Consolidate debt where possible to secure lower interest rates. Increase your income. Explore opportunities to increase your earning potential through salary negotiations, career advancements, side hustles, or starting a business. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation. By implementing these strategies consistently over time, you can make significant strides towards improving your net worth and creating a more secure financial future. Section 8. The power of compounding time, consistency, and the magic of early financial habits. One of the most powerful allies in building wealth is time. The earlier you start making sound financial decisions, the more time you have for your money to grow through the magic of compounding. Compounding is the snowball effect of earning interest on your initial investment as well as on the accumulated interest from previous periods. In essence, your money starts making money, and then that money makes money, and so on. Consider this. If you invest $1,000 at a 7% annual return, you'll have approximately $2,000 after 10 years. But if you maintain that investment for another 10 years, you'll have around $4,000. Starting early allows you to harness the full potential of compounding. Section 9. Achieving financial freedom. How a healthy net worth creates opportunity and security. Ultimately, building wealth is about more than just accumulating money. It's about achieving financial freedom, the ability to live life on your own terms, pursue your passions, and face the future with confidence. A healthy net worth provides security and peace of mind. Knowing you have a financial cushion to weather unexpected storms or pursue new opportunities without worrying about money. Flexibility and options. The freedom to make choices based on what truly matters to you, whether it's taking a career break, starting a business, or traveling the world. By understanding your net worth, making informed financial decisions, and harnessing the power of compounding, you can create a life of abundance, opportunity, and lasting security for yourself and your loved ones. Section 10. Take control of your financial destiny. The journey to building lasting wealth starts today. Understanding your net worth is not about obsessing over numbers. It's about empowering yourself to make informed decisions about your money and create a brighter financial future. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and building a life of abundance, security, and opportunity. Remember, no matter where you are on your financial journey, it's never too late to start. Take the first step by calculating your net worth today. Then, armed with this knowledge, commit to making small, consistent changes to your financial habits. Embrace the power of saving, investing, and managing your debt wisely. The journey to building lasting wealth starts today. Take that first step and never stop striving for a brighter financial future.